बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप मैं एक नाम स्वेद साजिद के साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। आई एस कर्व मैथमेटिकली स्लोप इज डेल्टा वाई ओवर डेल्टा आई। The slope of LM curve delta I over delta y is 1 over m bracket start k bracket close. The LM curve shows the pairs of rate of interest and level of income where money demand less than money supply. Fiscal policy will be effective when IS curve is flatter. Monetary policy will be effective when IS curve flatter. In ISLM framework, when private investment is increased, the rate of interest will increase along with increase in level of income. In liquidity trap, the LM curve is horizontal. If the value of velocity v is equal to 0, then IS will be vertical. The IS curve represents the market, goods market. The IS curve is concerned with general equilibrium in goods market. IS curve 3-sector economy shows the pairs of investment and income where saving plus tax is equal to investment plus G govt. IS curve will be vertical if v is equal to 0. V means velocity. When savings are decreased, the IS curve will shift to right. Whenever money supply greater than money demand, then will rise. The classical LM curve is vertical. The Keynesian range, the LM curve will horizontal. If the demand for money increases, the LM curve will shift to left. In extreme Keynesian case, the LM will be horizontal. If demand for money is completely influenced by the change in the rate of interest, vertical slope. The LM curve deals with general equilibrium in money market. IS curve in two-sector economy shows the pair of rate of interest and income where saving is equal to investment. The LM curve will be steeper if the value of K greater. If nominal money supply remains same, price level rises, the real money supply will fall. The graphic slope of IS curve is delta I mean rate of interest over delta Y. When saving increases because of increase in wealth, the IS will shift to left. If taxes increase, the IS curve will shift. As a result of increase in government expenditure, IS curve will shift to right. When money supply is greater than money demand, then will rise. The IS curve shows the relationship between rate of interest and investment. The IS curve shows the relationship between interest and income. IS curve was presented by Hicks.